Three killed in Mandeville police shootout after alleged robbery spree. A dramatic police confrontation in Mandeville has left three people dead, following what investigators describe as an alleged robbery spree and a running gun battle along Caledonia Road. The deadly incident unfolded near Horseshoe Curve on Saturday afternoon, bringing renewed concern about violent crime in the Manchester capital. Police have confirmed that a woman and two men were fatally shot during an alleged confrontation with members of the security forces in Mandeville, Manchester. Preliminary reports indicate that at approximately 4 o'clock on Saturday afternoon, the police received information about a reported series of robberies in the area. Officers subsequently intercepted a suspected getaway vehicle near Horseshoe Curve along Caledonia Road. According to a senior police source quoted by the Jamaica Observer, the occupants of the vehicle allegedly opened fire on the officers. The police reportedly returned fire, resulting in what was described as a prolonged standoff and running gun battle. When the shooting ended, a woman and two men were removed from the intercepted vehicle and transported to hospital. All three were pronounced dead on arrival. The identities of the deceased had not been officially released at the time of reporting. Police had also not disclosed whether any officers or members of the public were injured. Investigators are expected to establish the precise sequence of events, identify the deceased, and determine whether the vehicle or its occupants can be connected to the reported robberies. The confrontation occurred close to the location of a double murder reported only 1 week earlier. Nursing student Deenekia Pounall and Sadefa were reportedly traveling in a taxi when they were attacked by a gunman who had allegedly posed as a passenger. The two incidents have placed renewed attention on security along Caledonia Road and within the wider Mandeville area. Saturday's shooting is the latest serious incident to affect a town traditionally regarded as one of Jamaica's quieter commercial centers. Its occurrence during the busy afternoon period is also likely to raise concern among residents, commuters, and business operators. Several critical details remain unconfirmed. Authorities have not yet publicly identified the robberies that reportedly prompted the police response. They have also not disclosed what weapons, if any, were recovered or whether stolen property was found inside the intercepted vehicle. It is equally important to note that the police account remains preliminary. A complete investigation will be required to independently establish what happened before, during, and immediately after the shooting. Three people are now dead. A major police investigation is underway, and residents of Mandeville are again confronting the effects of deadly violence along Caledonia Road. Jamaica News Now will continue following this developing story and will provide verified updates as additional information becomes available. For more factual Jamaican news, subscribe to the channel, activate notifications, and share this report. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and never miss the stories that matter most. Jamaica News Now, your Highlands, your news, right now.